A successful fighter, but a dancer full of love. A somewhat strange love story. His life would never be the same when he met them. There is adventure in every step. How would you like to learn the secrets of the mysterious story? So Scott Adkins, why is she dancing?
The body can only be strong up to a point, but it is love that makes you invincible. Like the skin covering your joints, it can get calluses in your love.
A dance martial art experience directed by Wes Anderson and starring Scott Adkins is almost here to meet you.
My fight gives meaning to my dance. I fight to find love.
Watch the most extraordinary version of a love story. Discover the limits of life and love. Scott Adkins in the Dance of Fury, directed by Wes Anderson. A love story, a fascinating synthesis of dance and fighting. Step into the unique world of dance and fighting with Scott Adkins, Wes Anderson, and the Dance of Fury. If you want to see such videos, you can subscribe to my channel and like my video.